It is better for students and for the reputation of this master that it is selective and of the highest quality. I'm Enzam Kamperman-Sanders. I'm Professor of Intellectual Property Law at Maastricht University and Director of the Master's Intellectual Property and Knowledge Management. I was the initiator of the Master Intellectual Property and Knowledge Management. Because having taught abroad in several intellectual property programs in the United Kingdom and in countries like Switzerland, but also in Asia, I found that in the Netherlands, in the Benelux area and in the German border region, a master like this was not available. And furthermore, I thought it could be done better. Because in other institutions, lawyers and people with a non-legal background are trained separately. I strongly believe that for a future career in the area of intellectual property, a lawyer needs to understand what somebody in sciences is doing. And likewise, someone working in sciences needs to be able to explain to a lawyer how a certain invention or a certain business asset can be protected. Here we offer two masters, an LLM focusing on legal practice and an MSc focusing on training for a future career as a patent agent. But there is a common core to both of these masters, and this is where lawyers and non-lawyers are trained together. So it is a way to increase one's future career possibilities. At present, we have a nice and small group to start with, 15 students. They come from inside of Europe and they come from outside of Europe. They come from countries like India, they come from countries like China, they come from Africa, they come from the US, and they come from Western and Eastern Europe. We expect the interest to grow immensely. However, the master is selective. We will work with about 25 students maximum. We want to provide academic and practical training at the highest possible level.